Hi, I'm your techie friend Suneet and I welcome you all on my channel. Today we will talk about some good news for India in this worst time. So without a wait, let's get started. So let's start with the Facebook. Facebook will invest $5.7 billion in Jio platforms. For your information, Jio platform services includes the Jio 4G service and also some digital services like JioMart, JioSaavn, etc. Facebook's main focus with this investment is to introduce their WhatsApp Pay service to the small groceries businesses in India so that they can be encouraged to use digital payments. This will be very interesting to see how Facebook and Jio uses WhatsApp Pay with JioMart and still can compete with the Paytm, which is already a very giant digital payment solution in India. So let's be hopeful, let's be positive. So hopefully this investment will help. The relationship between Indian government and Facebook has not been very good in the past because of WhatsApp, but let's see how this relationship goes, and I hope this investment will help India. Second news is also about Jio, but now it is related to Google. Google will invest $10 billion in Jio. This investment is to make an affordable 5G phone with Android operating system, and Reliance Jio will offer that phone. Reliance Jio is already offering one of the cheapest 4G phone in India, but it is not a smartphone, it is a very basic feature phone. And now their users might be looking to upgrade from that basic phone to some sort of smartphone like an Android phone. So this partnership will help those users who are willing to upgrade from their basic phones to the smartphone, but they don't want to pay too much money for that upgrade. This way Jio will also stop their customers to move to different manufacturers from their basic phone. So I think it will be a win-win situation for Google and Jio as well. Other news is also coming related to Reliance, but it is related to Reliance retail chain. So Amazon is trying to have 9.9% stake in the Reliance retail market because it is one of the biggest retail chain in India, and Amazon want to participate in that fruitful business. I think Amazon and Reliance has not finalized any deals yet, but if it happens, then it will be a really great thing for India. Apple supplier Foxconn will invest $1 billion in India. Foxconn already have their assembling plant in Chennai, India, but earlier they were only assembling older generation iPhones. And with this investment, they want to upscale their assembling plant, and apart from the older generation iPhones, they also want to assemble latest generation iPhones as well in India. So this will help Apple to save 20% charges which they have to pay if they import the assembled device from outside India. So with this decision, not only for Apple, it will also help Indian consumers as well, because now they might get some rebate in the price of an iPhone. All these investments will help Indian economy, and it will also create new jobs, so certainly it will help us. And apart from this, I think it's a very good opportunity to grab the manufacturing and assembling businesses from China and bring them in India. So with these investments, you can imagine how hard foreign companies are trying to invest in India, but they're also looking for a better environment and some better policies from government so that they can easily enter into the Indian market and start their business. So it will help both those companies and India as well. The whole world is trying to have distance from China and looking for some alternatives, and I think India is a very good alternative of China, because we are as per with China in terms of population minus infrastructure. So the only drawback is the infrastructure. So if we can fulfill that gap and we can invite all the other companies and provide that environment, then it will certainly help India to grow more. And in the future, I think we can also grow more than the China economically as well. So let's be positive and look forward. I see a very bright future for India. So that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.